It's more demolition today. Still trying to get out of the hole up to zero so we can start doing new stuff.
When I get sweaty and I'm tired from this hard work and I start to question myself, why did I take on this project? Then I remember, oh yeah, the beach, Venice Beach, the Gulf of Mexico. This beach is literally just under 1 mile from our house. A 20-minute walk, a 4-minute car drive, a short bike ride, and we can be here. In fact, we do. After a long, hard day, we'll come down here and just float around and talk with each other for 10, 15, 20 minutes and just sort of wash the day away. It sure makes it all worthwhile.
I'm Ron Polk, and this is the Smart Wood Shop. The Polk Smart Bench and the Polk Smart Station. If you want to get a detailed set of plans for any of these or the accessories that work with the system, there's a link in the description of this video down below.
The bougainvillea, I pulled it out. It's dead to me.
And this shed is dead to me.
Demolition is hard work. Some people say it's fun. I don't think so. So I've got the fence that was here, and all along there were, this is the neighbor's fence. Our fence was against this. I've got that all down. The shed that was here. Still have the fence in the back, but this fence is between us and our neighbor, and they don't have a fence. So for now, I'm going to leave that fence. Of course, we've been doing, cutting up overgrown bushes. I'm going to get in here with the pickup truck and a strap and pull these. And this tree, Chris hasn't decided if she's going to keep it yet. If we do keep it, it's going to be cut way back. And I want to
get over with a shovel and take the dirt away from the fence so there's air space between the bottom of the wood, because that's not, you know, the life of the fence will be extended if it's not buried in the dirt. But I think it'd be pretty to have white vinyl here and here, about 6 feet tall. And again, that louvered stuff looks kind of like a Bahama shutter or a, you know, like one of those wide window blinds. Kind of lets light through at an angle, and they just look more airy and very, very tropical. But we still don't have our total plan yet. We have to, again, we're working on getting to 0. We're trying to get to a starting point, and then I'm going to measure up the house, work on some designs, and depending on how much construction we do, the landscaping may have to wait. We don't have a plan yet. We just know we're going to make it nicer, and we just want to get it sort of a blank slate, or as close to a blank slate as we can, and then start our designs. Thanks for dropping into the Smart Wood Shop. You stay safe and have a great day.